Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the destination ready. Now select the exact words or image you want to become a link. Once selected, press Ctrl+K or choose Insert then Link so the link dialog appears. In that dialog, paste the URL or browse to a file. If linking inside the document, pick a heading or bookmark. Do this now because establishing the selection first ensures Word applies the link to the right content and preserves your layout. Once the link dialog is open, decide what kind of link you need: a web address, an email, a local file, or a place in this document. You should edit the display text so readers see a clear label and add a screen tip for extra context. This helps navigation and accessibility. Make sure to choose the correct bookmark or heading for internal links, and convert file paths to relative paths if you'll move the document, because that prevents broken links later on. Click OK to commit the link, and then test it immediately by Ctrl+clicking the link. That verifies the destination works. If you need to change the text or destination, right-click the link and choose Edit or Remove Link so you can update it without recreating it. If the link fails, check the URL formatting, file path, bookmark names, and whether the target file is accessible or requires permissions. Fixing those common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.